Hi there, welcome to my channel. The place where every recipe comes with a hint of fun. Today, we're going to prepare an irresistible classic, banana bread. This recipe is perfect for taking advantage of those ripe bananas that are almost past their prime and turning them into something delicious and healthy.
The result?
A soft, aromatic, and flavorful bread. So grab a pen and paper and watch this video until the end to make sure you don't miss any details. Ingredients: 3 medium ripe bananas, 1 cup and 1/2 of wheat flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of melted butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder,
1 pinch of salt,
1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips. First, preheat the oven to 356 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that it will be at the ideal temperature when the dough is ready. Meanwhile, prepare a loaf pan. Grease it with butter or oil and sprinkle it with flour to prevent the dough from sticking.
book.
Now, in a large bowl, mash 3 ripe bananas with a fork until they form a creamy puree. This is the heart of our recipe and what will guarantee that special flavor. With the banana puree ready, add 1/3 cup of melted butter and mix well. Add a cup of sugar and continue mixing until the sugar is completely dissolved. Then, break an egg into a separate bowl, beat it lightly with a fork and incorporate it into the mixture. For an extra touch of flavor, add a teaspoon of vanilla essence and stir until smooth. Now, it's time for the dry ingredients. In another bowl, sift a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt and 1.5 cups of wheat flour. Mix the dry ingredients carefully and gradually incorporate them into the liquid mixture. Stir gently, just until the dough is uniform, avoiding overmixing so that the bread is soft and light. If desired, add chopped nuts or chocolate chips to the dough. These ingredients are optional, but they add a special touch to the bread. Pour the batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Place in the oven and bake at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. To check if it's ready, insert a toothpick into the center of the bread. If it comes out clean, it's in the right spot. After turning off the oven, let the bread cool in the pan for a few minutes before transferring it to a wire rack. This helps maintain the perfect texture. When it is warm, cut into slices and serve. This banana bread is perfect to accompany a fresh coffee or a hot tea, whether for breakfast, an afternoon snack, or at any time of the day. So, what did you think of this recipe?
Super simple, right? I hope you liked it.
Don't forget to like the video, share with anyone you think will like this recipe and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any news. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.